So what's unique about the MOD-PAL25 with the cobot? For us, it's about mobility. This is not a fixed unit that is anchored to your floor. This is a unit that you can pick up and move wherever you need to use it in your facility. We've designed this as a welded steel construction, powder coated finish. So we have 2 pallet corral locations with pallet datums provided on the back of the robot base with integrated pallet presence sensors, so the machine knows that a new pallet is in position ready to be loaded. We've added space between the rear of the pallet and the stabilizer arm, which allows access room for the forklift forks to pick a finished pallet without striking the stabilizer arm. So one of the advantages of the modular system here, you do have the robot base module. Separate from that, we can also provide an in-feed conveyor module. This is its own base module that you can set into position and then bring your robot base module and connect it to the conveyor. So to connect the robot base to a conveyor base module, it's very simple, quick connect couplings for all of your cable connections, for your area scanners, for your conveyor power, your conveyor sensors, and your Ethernet communications. It's all quick connect. So the in-feed conveyor module that we can provide, this is an APT designed and built powered zoned roller conveyor. We do have control of the product as it comes in off of your case sealer machine. Can come through, we can zone it so we can singulate product. We can provide it to the robot however we need to have it for picking, single picks or double picks. We can control that with the logic of our base unit. For the MOD-PAL25, we're using the CRX 25. This has the 25 kilogram capacity for the robot. Your robot controller and all of your wiring are contained inside the base frame. We designed it for maintenance access. Inside we have all of the main electrical connections for the cell. We have the main robot connections. We have all of our push button connection cables as well as our HMI connection and cables. All of the internal power is inside the cell.